guys, I'm Manny MUA, and I'm here with Boxycharm to show you guys a couple of the gorgeous little Dare to Dazzle gay bundle. It's not a gay bundle. You guys know what I mean. We have a Pride bundle with Boxycharm and Lunar Beauty. Dreamy Lip Gloss will actually be in this bundle, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to incorporate these products that are gonna be in the bundle on my face personally. I'm gonna be taking the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream from Dr. Brandt, and I'm gonna put that as our moisturizer. We're just gonna moisturize this skin. Even though, you know, I'm pretty hydrated right now, I would like a little bit more of a boost. I would like to boost this radiance. Take a small amount here, nice little pea size, and just run it throughout the entire face to really boost the hydration for the following steps. Oh, it feels so nice and velvety. Ooh, I love it. I absolutely love, it feels amazing. It feels absolutely amazing. So now that we're looking beat down, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Dragon Beauty powder, and we're going to set our under eyes using this powder. I just take a nice little fluffy brush and set from the backwards going in. I just feel like it looks prettier and it emphasizes less of my wrinkles. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set our under eyes to really brighten our under eyes, as well as, you know, set the concealer. Stunning! So next product in our gorgeous little bundle is the Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom Palette. I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate some of the teal and the lavender because I just feel like it'd be a really, really cute look. So that's what we're gonna do on the eyes today. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of a packing brush and take Angelic. And we're gonna pack that all over the eye. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side with the purple to do a gorgeous little, you know, pride, trans flag moment. Okay guys, so now that we have our shadows on, I want to do something very pride, very trans pride flag, blue and pink. So I'm gonna go now take the one size liner, and how I like to use it, I just like to really lightly tight line with this product, and I'm just gonna lightly go as close to the lashes as possible and do a gorgeous little tiny liner to really just darken our natural lashes, or at least the illusion. This is a great eyeliner. It's super pigmented, super black, and really easy to use. And voila! Just more definition on one side. I love it! So, so good. Last but not least, you guys, we are going to be taking our Dreamy Lip Gloss from Lunar Beauty, which is my brand, and I'm going to be applying that to the lips to give us a nice glossy, juicy appearance. It's a gorgeous peach color. It's truly out of this world stunning. So I want to say a quick thank you to everyone who has purchased and supported the Pride bundle with Boxycharm and all of us queer folk in the bundle. I appreciate it so, so, so much. So I just want to say a huge shout out to Boxycharm and thank you guys for all that you guys do. You guys are absolutely incredible and I love you guys. Mwah. Bye. Happy Pride. Bye.